Hey, my Ford Bronco accessories are coming in and I'm starting to put them on my vehicle. And I've owned these before and I've learned some tricks of the trade when you use these. If you see here on these Broncos, they don't have a really good water bottle side pocket holding capability. So here is a product here that you can mount to your door and have more storage to hold your water bottles. And what I learned from this is when you unscrew all these 6 screws and to mount this, be sure to keep this little net part of the assembly to put back together. When you look at this company that makes this, they show you taking this away from it. That's a huge mistake. You want to put it back together and you really have a really cool combination of still having a net there and still having room for your water bottles. Hey, I am going to put in my side water bottle holders here that I just showed a video earlier on. Really simple. A number 30 Torx takes all 6 of these screws apart. You just take them all out and then follow me along here on you put them right back in. All right, I just took this off. It just pops off. And behind here, you see how these are kind of clipped in here? You just pop these off and we'll transfer this little net from this assembly to that assembly. You could just put this right over this, but it'd look tacky and push this unit out too much, so I wouldn't do that. I do it the right way. Just take this apart. You just unslide here. Comes off. Very simple. All right, a little trick here is what you do is you take your top screw here and then put this behind it to start this one. And then you can just go ahead and go to the other side here and put one like down at the bottom or up the top. That way you line everything up correctly. And then you can just kind of follow a line. And it's easier to do that than trying to make it all fit because it doesn't snap together with this. So once again, just go ahead and put this up here in the top one and then line it up and get it started. And then over here, get it started, and it'll just be easier for you to make it all come together. Don't tighten down too much. When you have the right tools, it really does make a difference. You have these battery-powered tools to tighten things down. You see that? I mean, it just makes your life so much easier. If you can afford to get one of these, I would get one. All right, she's done. I took this out. You may want to just keep it for your vehicle for the future if you want to take this off. Because one time in my Wild Track, I had these on, and I just went ahead and took it off when I put it in my other Raptor, and I had the spare trim ring to put back in my other Wild Track. So here is two water bottles here. See, very accommodating. You get some pretty big stuff in here. Still have room here. You put something right behind here. Now, some people will say, yeah, but now when you're sitting in a vehicle, this is going to hit you. And yes, it does come into you a little bit here, but it's not, I mean, it's not uncomfortable for me because I usually kind of pull my foot back. I'm not usually like this the whole time. But I've had it my other Broncos, and between my other 2 Broncos, I did like 15,000 miles. And no problem. So only thing that I noticed is it starts wearing here, but whip-de-doo-dah, these things are like 45 bucks. I'm going to do the other side now, and I just think this is a great accessory for anybody out there that wants to add the water bottle holder feature, because the Broncos don't have really very good storage on water bottle capabilities. Hope this video helps you have a happier Bronco. Stay tuned for more how-tos and adventures. And thanks for watching Ice Age TV. God bless, stay safe, and stay tuned.